not a word, huh?
Nope.
So how's it going, Rodney?
It's going good.
What are you up to?
Ordering parts.
Parts
For Madrigal.
Oh yeah,
Rusty
Rust Bus, woo!
So we've got some go-aheads from the owner on what to order and what wheels and suspension, and so we're getting that started.
We got a bunch of metal for it,
Got a bunch of metal for about 10 grand worth of metal or so.
Can
we
we
got our
save
work
this
cut out
bus?
for us. But anyway, as soon as we get space in here, she'll be coming in.
Nice.
So that'll be a funny video to watch that roll in.
Do you think it'll roll in, or do you think it's going to be
roll in.
like go back behind it and pick up all the pieces?
It'll roll in, and then we'll do the suspension work first, get it stable.
Yeah.
And then we'll do that first, and then we'll build up from a good platform. It'll be fun.
You up to date on your tetanus shot?
Sure. I like to live dangerously anyway.
Wait a second, that did not
I like to
sound
live dangerously
super
anyway,
convincing.
so it'll be good.
All right, well, this should be interesting.
Yep.
All right, now, will you tell me why you're sitting out here?
Because we have somebody new.
We do? Well, imagine that.
It'll be Daren.
That'd be Daren. Hey, Daren.
Hey, how's it
Hi to
going?
the nice people.
Hi, how are you doing?
Welcome.
First
This is
day.
your first day. They already got you doing stuff.
First day, already working, yeah.
What are you working on?
I am working on some kick panels for a Karmann Ghia.
Oh.
So I'm jumping right in.
That's no kidding. You've been here, what, 15 minutes? They've
Yeah,
got you
well, a
already
little,
elbowed
but
you.
yeah, not long.
An hour. So
Yeah.
That's
You gotta
great.
do it, gotta get right to work, right?
You know,
Right.
that's it. That's it.
Get
Who's
some
Ghia
stuff
is that?
done.
Gazzo's Ghia.
Oh, Mr. Gazzo. Look at this.
So
Panels are getting it done.
we're working on it, we'll see.
Yeah. Well, we're glad you're here.
Thank you.
Welcome. Let's see what else is going on. I know we have a treat in store for you guys that Mr. Alex has planned. Hey, Alex. How are you?
I'm alright.
Fantastic. What do you have here for us? Ooh.
Well, today I plan to do a demonstration of Mr. Gazzo's audio system.
Oh, Mr. Gazzo, it's like your day here today. Okay.
Unfortunately, right now, Daren is over there working on the kick panels, getting them wrapped, so I don't have the speakers in the kick panels, but we will have them hooked up.
All right, so it's not all fancy. That's all. All right, and so you wired this from, like, it didn't just come ready-made, right? You had to do it-
Right. Yeah, we... I have done a custom wiring for the entire system, all the way down to I have custom RCA interconnects that I soldered the tips on myself for exact length and better performance cables.
Custom means custom. That's fantastic. You guys want to hear it?
Did kind of lose track of time working on the door shims,
Uh-huh.
so I wasn't 100% ready to go.
Ah. You want us to come back, or are you pretty close?
Yeah, I'm pretty close. I just gotta
This looks amazing.
connect the battery up. Alright. You on?
Side, right, front, center, front, center, side, left, side, right, side, right.
Alright. And then, let's see. I think this was the one from the library that I like.
Nice.
So, yeah, we've got
Wow.
4 component tweeters in the setup right now. I've got 2 in each kick panel that are going to sit about right here, angled towards the driver and the passenger on the other side. We've got 2 tweeters mounted in the dash grille here that help add more high frequency sound into the compartment. And then I've got my 2 medium component speakers. They're 5 1/4 inch speakers. They help handle the middle area from about 400 hertz to 10,000 hertz.
Okay.
And I've got 1 on each side. And then we've got the big boys. We've got 2 10-inch Rockford Fosgate R1 primes. And of course they're the subwoofers, so they handle the low frequency. And I've got the crossover set so that they are currently doing, my subsonic cuts them off at 25 so they don't go under 25 hertz. And I've got the low pass filter cutting them at about 250 so they don't go over 250 hertz.
That's really cool.
Still got a lot of work once the interior is done to get everything tuned so that it sounds perfect, but we do have sound. And if you'd like to step around to the front.
Oh, wow.
I have quite a lot of wiring. It is going to be a lot neater when we're done wrapping it. Right now I'm waiting on some new wrapping tape to come in, but like I said, each one of these RCA cables I made myself exactly to the length that I needed. And the back side of the sub looks really nice, trust me. I've done a lot of work with the wiring and it's wrapped and everything's routed, but it takes a little bit of work to pull out.
Yeah.
And we've got the other wiring done. The headlight wiring is ready and I've tested it. It works. Unfortunately, we've had a little bit of trouble with the ring that holds the headlight assembly together, and they haven't been cooperating in the paint booth, so they're not ready to go. But I do have my lights here on the front in the grill. I've got running lights.
Nice.
And
woo! There we go. Beep beep.
That's not supposed to do that.
Oh.
So something's wrong in there, but that
wires crossed.
No, we've got a ground that keeps happening because the steering column bearing's not set.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But supposed to be being shown.
Oh yeah,
is
there we go.
Left turn signal.
Very nice.
And then I've got right turn signal.
So we've
and
got
the rear signals are also working.
All right. No excuse, Mr. Gazzo. You got to use your signals.
Yeah. So.
Well done.
This is where we are in the wiring, and as you heard, the horn works.
Yeah.
I've just got to get everything situated once we're ready there so that it works when it's supposed to work.
Yeah, sure.
Let's see. And what else do I have going on? We are still waiting on the instrument cluster to come in.
Okay.
But I've got all the wiring ready to go for it. Once it's here, we can get it plugged up and working, and I can get all of this wrapped away and making it look nice. And the washer fluid bottle.
Oh, good. That's important.
We do have that going. It's a new replacement that fits in the original position, but instead of using, I know a lot of them used air pressure from the spare tire to push the fluid through. We've actually got a electric motorized one, and it runs off of what used to be the dimmer switch on this steering column, because we've got a floor-mounted dimmer switch to match the stock style. So I've got a dimmer switch here that is functional, and the button on the back side of the turn signal lever is actually what runs the washer fluid now.
Fantastic. That's great. Well done.
Thank you.
Any lovely surprises as you've been working on the wiring?
No blue genies yet.
No blue genies?
No blue genies. The biggest surprise I would say was it's been quite the work getting the wiring back here under the carpet.
Oh yeah.
To look good.
It looks pretty good.
I still want to do a little bit of work because I'm not happy with how it's sitting. But I do have some very specifically managed cables to keep the bulk down.
Nice.
And we've got padding to help lift the carpet, and yeah, so that's
Love
been
the
one of the
attention
big
to
things.
detail. Good job.
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic. How's it feel? You got this first one done?
Yeah, I'm excited.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, everything worked. I got it. I did a lot of research before I purchased, and got everything hooked up good, and first test was perfect. It all kicked on and ran.
That's what we love. That's great. Well, keep up the amazing work. This is Mr. Gazzo. You're gonna love this.
Yeah, and I have done a lot of work because I was told we want a sound quality build. So this is about good, consistent sound, which is why we've only got the 210s. I wanted to go 8s, but there weren't any good dual 8-inch sub enclosures that filled that space well.
Gotcha.
So I'm going to have a control knob when we're done. I just haven't figured out where it's going to go based off the interior.
Yeah.
And I'm going to have good, clean sound at about 75% on that knob. And then you'll be able to turn the bass down for less bass if you want to clear some of that out, and then a little bit up to bump it up if you're listening to something that you want to top that bass
Right. Oh, that's great. Really good. Awesome.
off. Thank you.
Well done. All right. Let's see what else is going on. Well, there's Shannon. Hey, Shannon.
Hello.
What are you working on today?
Oh, right now I'm working on getting the tag light housing ready to go back on Mr. Phil's deck lid that we recently put back on.
Okay.
Yeah, it just come back from paint. Getting it all. Got some pretty re-chromed Karmann Ghia emblem on there.
That looks good.
Working on just getting it back together because once we do that, road test, he'll be ready to go home.
Nice.
Yes.
That's a good thing.
Yes, ma'am,
We
it
can
is.
use the room, too.
Yes, because we got a few that need to come in.
Yeah.
And a few waiting.
Yeah.
How many we got waiting?
A lot.
Couple.
I
Yep.
don't know. Yeah.
I think we got one coming in for April, March,
Yeah.
April. Ghia.
Yeah.
Because we're Ghia Nation right now.
It is really
Yes,
a
we've
lot
got-
of Ghias this year.
3 in the shop, 1 in the trailer.
Yeah.
So we got 4 of them here right now.
Some years it's the year of the bus. It's really crowded then.
We fixed to have bus mania in here with that Rusty. Rodney's going to have about a month worth of welding and all to do on that thing.
Poor baby.
Putting it
is
together.
So rusty.
Oh my God.
It's just, you touch it and it's like, ooh.
I mean, heck, we've already ordered about 10 grand worth of metal for it.
It's a lot of metal.
Yes, it is.
Oh, good
That's going to be a
job.
very interesting project.
Yeah. You're doing well on this. This is
Yeah,
great.
it's coming along,
Get
all
it
the
on.
re-chrome bumpers and everything. So yeah,
Fantastic.
we're getting it what he wanted to have done. So
Nice.
yep.
Alrighty. Stone. Oh, Stone.
Mom's here.
Mom's here. What's up? What are you working on? Still here?
Still
Oh,
working on
wow.
suit.
Yeah.
Getting 10-inch vinyl sailor. Hopefully paint tomorrow or Saturday.
Okay.
I don't want to work Saturday.
I don't want to work Saturday either, but it's got to get done.
Well, you've become extremely familiar with this back.
Both of these actually. But going through making final adjustments. Tiny
Get it just
niches here and there.
Yeah. All right. That's good.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Spook, what's you up to?
Plane was a Targa top for the 914-6. So we've already painted one of them black, and then this one's going to be orange, then it was going to be lizard green, then it was going to be something purple, and now we're going back to orange.
Okay.
And I have a text saying, yes, we're going to do orange, final answer. So I'm prepping this for orange.
All right, YouTube folks, you can be the witness.
Orange.
The final answer is orange.
Orange. So right now I'm at 400.
Okay.
And then we'll do Scotch Brite after that, and then it's ready to go over to the paint booth. So 400, literally, we're blocking at 400. So that's pretty much what should be done in about 20 minutes or so. And then I'll probably end up shooting this on Monday.
Okay.
Depends on if I feel like it or not. Alex gave you an earful.
Yeah,
It's
that's
like-
a lot of detail on
And
that.
it's like, wow. wow.
That's cool.
I didn't really even understand half of what he said. And,
but he clearly did, and it works, and it looks great. Sounds amazing.
Like, I kept hearing this thud, 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 and like, what the heck is that? So it's the first time I've heard it. So hopefully, Jackie, you're going to like that one.
Yeah.
So other things we've got going in the shop, with Daren's working on the kick panels for Gazzo's ride, and then he's going to switch over to Mr. Fetterman's bus. He's going to start building in the safari windows and start doing an install on that. So we're expecting Mr. Fetterman to come in third week in March for the final go through and take a look at it, and then we can send it over.
Great.
And I know Rusty Bus is going to be coming in. We're starting to order parts for that, for the suspension. And
yeah.
That's going to be a neat build. We're going to do air ride on that and a couple other pretty cool stuff. It's like we haven't really nailed down everything, but it's starting to come together in a really cool ride in my head and in Rodney's head.
I mean, documenting that build is going to be something. Because this thing, guys, I don't want to go out in the rain again, but it is rusty. You have to go back and look.
We can actually put a link in the descriptions below to Can We Save This 67?
Yeah.
Because I know we did that video.
Yeah, I think we did. So
I talked with him last night, and he's getting really excited. Of course, he also has like 5 or 6 buses under construction in different shops throughout the country. So,
what's your dad saying?
Never do anything half arsed.
There you go.
Always do it full arsed. Even if you mess up, do it all the way.
Yep.
It's like, you know, I've learned more from my failures than I've ever learned from my successes.
That's true.
So that's the education that you have to do.
Yeah.
It's going to be interesting. I really, really get a kick out of doing it.
Yeah, that's going to be something. All right.
So other than that, we're just plain sandy, and no, I do not have any fingerprints. Have not for years.
Yeah, let's see.
No fingerprints at all.
All right.
So maybe go rob a bank later. Just kidding.
Maybe.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Well,
just kidding, people.
Huh?
Where are you?
Or are we?
So anyway, hit the like, subscribe button on YouTube. Leave a comment below. Let us know if you're liking what we're doing. So anyway, leave a comment on down here. Hit the like, subscribe button, and I hope you really enjoy the content. Let us know if there's something you really want to see, or if you have a question. More than happy to do it. Check us out on Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Are we on anything else? See, we got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Reddit. I've already said Reddit. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter.
That's it.
That's it? Well, you don't have us on Snapchat or anything? Or Tinder? Or
Tinder.
One of those weird things. It's like, I know you're always left and right swiping on your phone, but I just figured you were working. And it was like, ooh, hey. Oh, it's a car. So.
No girlfriend, but I do have a car.
No girlfriend, but he does have a car.
Okay.
And she does talk back to him.
All right.
So.
Sassy.
Sassy. Anyway. Thank you guys. We will talk with you later. I'm going back to my block.